now here in Valenzuela People's Park. Yan. Commonly known to the public as, to the local as simply People's Park. And here in Barangay Malinta, Valenzuela City, 14 kilometers north of Manila, beside Valenzuela City Government Center and Valenzuela Town Center, which is under construction as of today. Construction of this 1.3 hectare park was started in 2014 and was formally opened to the public on February 14, 2015 during the 17th Valenzuela City Charter Day. The Aero Circle, where the Zumba session happens daily, which is good for the mommies who wanted to get fitted. Garden, where you can have your meal with your friends or family and feel the good ambience of the green environment. Amphitheater, where the Saturday Mass happens weekly. Lastly, the Seniors Garden, from the word itself, senior, meaning this place is ideal for the for our senior citizens. So this park is not just exclusive for the kids, adults, or for couples, but also for our senior citizens. Actually, the purpose of making this video is to encourage you to visit by introducing you the points of interest in this park, such as the interactive fountain there. It is really impressive, especially during night time, because of the LED lights that's run all over the fountain area, and the light itself reflects the water in the air. So no wonder why it is placed in the very front of the park